I was not sure that I would particularly like this product because it is a wet serum and I've not had great experiences with them, but Drink Up Moisturiser has changed my mind. It is a pipette bottle, so you squeeze the bottle top in order to expel, and you have about half of the pipette here. I would recommend, this is ideal for dry and combined skins. I've just dispensed a small amount here, rub between my hands, and then I like to apply it as if I'm just very lightly touching my skin. And then actually, if I've got a little bit left over, I don't mind using it on my neck. And the reason why it gives this lovely, you can maybe hear, this lovely 72 hours of hydration is because the hyaluronic acid almost acts like cling film holding in. So it's not a thick, claggy moisturiser. I think come a summer's day, it's going to be ideal because it dries off so quickly. It doesn't stay on your face greasy, but you can just feel just a very, very kind of light coating. As regards putting makeup on top, you absolutely can, but you need to think about what type of makeup you put on top. So please nothing too dry or powdery or cakey. You're looking at something quite moisturising and glowing. But no, my skin feels really nice and soft and silky. I've been using this morning and night. You can do that. Morning's great because you just use it after you've cleansed, straight onto newly cleansed skin. And in the evening, I've been using it before I've been putting on any heavier creams, just because if you have dry skin, combined skins, you're going to have areas of your face where you don't want to overdo it with moisturisation. So I've fallen in love with this product, and who knew? I was not expecting that this would be a product that would kind of dramatically change my outlook on wet serums, but I would definitely say this is one that you're going to get a good amount of use out of morning and night, and very nicely tolerated. You're not going to feel too greasy or oily using it.